Hello, everyone. Today we'll talk about positive externalities. What are externalities? They are the cost or benefit to someone who is not the consumer or the producer. We call these kinds of people bystanders. That said, externalities are still caused by an exchange between consumers and producers. There are two kinds of externalities. While this video focuses on the positive, we'll also quickly go through what negative externalities are. Positive externalities, the bystanders benefit due to a market exchange, and they gain what is called an external benefit. Negative externalities, the bystanders lose due to a market exchange between consumers and producer, and they incur what is called an external cost. So moving on to an example of positive externality, my family owns a local business in Red Deer called Pink Bow Restaurant. And local businesses is actually a good example of a positive externality, since besides bringing more food to people, it actually brings more people into a community, helping it develop. And this action of bringing people into the community, we can call this an external benefit. Let's show this on a supply and demand curve for local businesses. And then let's add that external benefit. We add that external benefit to the demand curve since the demand curve reflects the value of local business to a prospective business owner. But then when we add that external benefit, we can see how much society values that local business and we get the resulting graph. But sadly, local business owners don't take this into account, the external benefit, since it doesn't concern them. So as we can see, the market price and the quantity of business is lower than what is desired by society, creating this dead weight loss in between, since there's a lack of businesses. A way to reduce this dead weight loss, though, is to give subsidies to these prospective business owners. By doing that, the demand curve goes up since if they're giving money to run a business, then there's more people who would want to run a business. By doing that, we got rid of that dead weight loss and the society becomes happy. In summary, today we talked about positive externalities, how a local business is an example of a positive externality, and how subsidies can solve the dead weight loss that is caused by positive externalities. Thank you.